So if I've got this template where we'll add some other tasks that I want to be able to trigger from an Ansible playbook, you can achieve that with developer API. So in this example, I'm going to create the runbook. And I'm going to say that I'm going to duplicate runbook 1033, and I'll copy all the tasks and teams over. I'll then dump out the responses that we get from the Cutover developer API, and then I'll start the created runbook as well. So if we switch to Ansible, we're here, can execute that runbook, and we can see that we've created a new runbook called 1084. And if we go back to the sandbox, we can see the runbook that has been created and is also in execution mode. And that was rehearsal as we'd got set. And if we'd wanted to alter that to be live run, we could do. And the same with comms and everything else. Hope you found this useful.